And here is one of our seats. See, I've repainting that. I've taken out the pieces that go here to redo those, and that's one of the cushions from the bottom that didn't really need new coating. Okay, now this is the worst one. It's got a couple little holes and marks in it, just where the, this is not leather, it's vinyl, just where it's come up. And I'm going to, we're just gonna go over it and see if we can fix it. There's a couple tears there. So what I've got, we've got some Loctite Extreme glue. Now this is one that dries a little bit flexible, which is what we're after this, because obviously it's flexible. Some toothpicks, some tape, and paper towels to clean up any mess. So we're just gonna go and see if we can get these to stick down and look a lot nicer before we paint over. So this seat previously was a classy red. So what I've done, it's on the edge and just pulling it, trying to get it flat to see what I got to deal with here. What I think I'm going to do is I'll actually put a bit of, so there's one hole, no material there at all. I think I'm going to put some, I'll put some tape on the back of it to give it a little bit of structure, and then I'll go around the edges with this glue and try to glue it all down. I almost might want to get a better tape and see if I get it even more secure, something like the Storm Sure tape, something like that, but we'll see how this goes first. Do this big one first. Okay, so that's on there. Long nozzle, so that makes it, gonna make it a bit easier. Try to squirt it in. And then we'll push it around with the toothpick to get it in all the little cracks and crannies. I think the trick will be just to hold it flat so while it cures a bit. Just going right around, building up on top of the two edges. Hopefully that holds. Not too concerned. I said this is kind of out of sight, this. The one up the top will be a little bit easier, but I just want to see how this goes first. So I'll let that, it's kind of tacking off a bit, which is good. While we're letting that bigger one dry, there's a few little like tags of the vinyl that are kind of coming up. So what I'm doing, I'm just putting a little bit on the end of this toothpick and opening them up and jamming that in there so I get it right in. Using the other end of the toothpick, kind of smoothing it down and squeegee it out. And there's that one's staying down. Some of them have been sticking up a bit. If they've been sticking up, I'm just putting a little bit of masking tape over it to hold it. And that'll just really clean up the look. There's a label here hanging out. We'll just trim that off with a razor blade. And that'll clean that up nicely. You still see some of that red stitching, but we'll repaint this whole cover with some the same vinyl dye we're using on the seat cushions. And yeah, I'll put a link to that in off the Amazon side of things. in the description, but it's just, you can get it at any auto parts store. And yeah, this Loctite Extreme glue, pretty good stuff. So I'll put a link to that in there as well, just so you can get that same stuff, because it's all about, you need one that's sort of flexible. If you get one that goes hard, it'll get kind of brittle and not be the same, not be what you're after. Well, so this seat is definitely a lot worse than the other. So I've gone around and it's kind of tacky now. So actually it's probably a good time to, if you wanted to match any leather texturing, to give it a little tap right now. The hole that I had on the top, what I did, it was kind of hard to film, but what I did is just, I was able to get my hand up inside, which is pretty convenient, and coat the area, and then kind of just almost like use it to fill in the cracks. Now it's not a filler, of course, there are products for that, but it's all glued all around the edges and the top and bottom, like on the underneath it, so it should be glued in pretty snug. So we're gonna just let it harden out, probably overnight. It's pretty good, you can get the texture going with that. And then we'll hit it with some of the paint to just try to cover it over, and you won't really see those lines anymore, which should be good. You can see a few other little tags here and there that I filled. They just kind of a shiny look to them now because of the glue, but that'll all, should all blend in when I repaint this in a couple days. So that's it for now. We're gonna go put another coat of paint on the cushions, and then we'll let it sit for a while.